Good afternoon, everyone. It's Lonnie. We're in the shed. Afternoon, because I went back to an estate sale. Actually, two estate sales that were running on Sunday, and I bought some more stuff because it was going to be cheaper than half price. So I went back. I bought it. That's going to be another video, but I also had to pack. I packed about, I don't know, 30 more mugs or so after that. And now it's time for me to go ahead and pull some orders and get my butt over to the post office. I have a lot of mugs to bring to the post office too. I think I've probably got close to a third of the mugs that I've sold so far packed and ready to go. So I'll be dropping those off at the post office and packing every day. Probably through Friday. I'll probably get the last mug out of here. But yeah, that's going really well. But yeah, let's go ahead and pull some orders, mostly eBay orders, a few orders in my own little store. But yeah, let's go ahead and pull some orders. My eBay business has been a little sidetracked lately by this mug fundraiser thing, but still, you know, still making a few little sales here and there. Let's take a look. First eBay sale we're gonna pull is a little budgie car. I think it's called a budgie, and this is going to a viewer. Actually, I think it's this one right here. Yeah, it's a little budgie Route Master or Route Master bus. This is vintage, made in England. It says go SO, buy SO, drive SO on it. It's a double-decker bus from England. So that's pretty cool. This is actually going out to Kevin, a viewer and a very good buyer. He's bought a bunch of die casts from me, so thank you so much, Kevin. Always appreciate your business, man. $30 plus shipping on top. Sold a Lego set that I've actually had for a while. Superheroes. I don't think that's it. I don't think. Let me take a look. Oh, actually, Hydra Showdown. Yeah, this is it. Okay, yeah, this is the one I just listed not too long ago. This sold for $24.99 plus shipping on top. This is if y'all saw the Funko Pop bulk buy, I believe this was part of that buy. So $24.99 plus shipping on top for that. Then I sold a blade out of this box. I think it's this. And I've actually sold most of the tools out of the Craigslist Hunter tool lot. This is a 10-inch Diamond Edge Metal Max blade, and I got $45.49 plus shipping on top. I took a best offer on that. Right, another viewer sale here. This is for Steven. Okay, this is literally gonna fall now. No, it still did not fall. Steven bought a beach ball and some floaties. Left a very nice message. Thank you so much, Steven. I really appreciate it. Yeah, those sold for $5.99 plus shipping on top. I sold a PC big box PC game. Close Combat. Here we go. Battle of the Bulge, blah, blah, blah. Here we go. It's got other stuff in it too. It had extras that didn't really come with it that I just like lotted it all together. But yeah, this sold for $29.99 plus shipping on top. So a nice sale for sure. All that PC stuff and a lot more stuff I picked up for 30 bucks total. So it's doing really well. That one game, you know, it's almost, after fees, it's not quite, but that one game actually almost pays for the whole lot. All right, this is another viewer sale. I actually pulled it out of the box just now. These are some puffy Garbage Pail Kids stickers from, I think they're like from 1985. Yeah, they're 1985. Going out to Judith over at the YouTube channel jordanrc.com on YouTube. So thank you very much, really appreciate it. Okay, went and grabbed these cards. Hunchback of Notre Dame trading card set. These sold for $4.99 plus shipping on top. Not a viewer sale, at least not that I know of. All right, I have some Belleville combat boots back here. These guys right here, as a matter of fact, Belleville. These sold for, I took a best offer of $60 plus shipping on top. I'm trying to remember offhand what I paid for them. It's been a while. Without looking, I'm gonna have to guess like about 10 bucks though. Okay, just pulled this, and this is a Sony car kit for Discman. It's got a car power adapter, it's got a wall adapter, and it's got the tape adapter. Sold this for $17.99, and I want to say I got this all together with an actual Discman, and the Discman didn't work. So I just sold this stuff by itself and still got pretty good money for it. All right, next up, oh, this is part of my that's actually part of my birthday present there. What is this? All right, so anyways, I sold this stack. Speaking of birthday, this does not go with it. I sold this entire stack of movie soundtracks. Y'all can see the titles there. It's actually got some decent ones. Singles is a really good soundtrack. The Doors is good. A lot of people probably like Titanic. American Pie. Nah, that's not really that good, probably. Ooh, Pretty in Pink is an awesome soundtrack. But anyway, sold this stack of movie soundtracks for $19.99 plus media mail shipping. Going out to a viewer who told me happy birthday. They just wanted to buy something on my birthday, so thank you very much. I appreciate it. Going out to John. Thank you very much, John. All right, last thing on main account. And y'all can tell this place is just a wreck right now. I've got my work cut out for me for sure. Last thing is actually something that I bought yesterday. I bought this TI 89 Titanium. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, TI 89 Titanium, and worked perfectly. I bought it for $12.50 on half price day at the estate sale, and sold it overnight for $54.99 plus shipping on top. So that was a fantastic flip. All right, time to go to the back again. Sold this second account now, second eBay account. I sold a Laserdisc Hook, the movie Hook. I think that's going to be right here somewhere. Hook, oh no, not Hook, Hook, Line, and Sinker. I was looking for the movie Hook. Sold this for $7.99 plus media mail shipping on top. And no, that is actually not right. I did sell the movie Hook. Let me go back. I've got two different places where I'm keeping these. Make sure it's not here. I thought it was in this stack, but it must not be. No, it's not. Okay. The other one, oh, it's right here. I see it. Hook. There we go. It's a Robin Williams movie. This sold for $7.99 plus media mail shipping on top. Okay, the last item I'm pulling on my second account, eBay account, is a Bachmann engine, train engine, and I took a best offer. I didn't even know I had offers turned on these things, but I took a best offer of $25.99. I guess I must have listed it with offers and didn't realize it, or eBay turned offers on and I didn't know it, one of the two. But whenever I looked at the offer, I was like, well, you know what, that's actually good enough, I'll take it. So yeah, I took it. $25.99 plus shipping on top. This is an item I sold in my own store. This is actually going out to John. He bought this Transformers Fracas and Scourge. from Titans Return. I don't know. I really don't know that much about Transformers. But anyway, John bought this, and he bought a mug, one of the coffee mugs. So thanks a lot, John. I really do appreciate it. The this sold for $14.99. Of course, the mug sold for $13. Also in my store, my own store, I sold this Star Wars Force Awakens playset. Takodana Encounter. Sold this for $9.99 to Mark. I believe Mark bought a mug also. I will have to look. So thanks a lot, Mark. I really do appreciate it. And Lane bought this DC Bombshells Halloween Batgirl. Y'all may have seen it in the store. I'll link, well, I won't link to it, but I'll just click on it here in a second and show it to you so you can see what it looks like. It's a really cool piece, but I got $75. Here we go. And it's not, I don't have it on the big screen. This is what it looks like all put together. But yeah, I got $75 for that. Plus, Lane bought 2 sets of mugs. So thanks a lot, Lane. And then the last sale in my own store is coming from Queen City Pickers on YouTube. They bought, which is Chad, by the way. That's Chad over at Queen City Pickers on YouTube. They bought this lot of autograph and uniform patch cards. Most of them are baseball, but there are some like Olympics. I know there's like the Olympic gymnast Shawn Johnson. She has a card in there and stuff. So yeah, thanks a bunch, Chad. Really appreciate it. Was just packing up the beach ball floaty thing, Disney, for Steven, and I just read the note again. It's going out to for his kids, Madden and Allie, and he says they love the shed. So hello, Madden and Allie, thanks so much for watching. All right, about to head to the post office. I got my regular eBay orders right here, and I've got a ton of mugs right there, and then the back, as you can see, is full of mug orders too. So got my work cut out for me. All right, it is the next day. I stayed up and packed a bunch of mugs last night. Moving along pretty steady. My goal in the beginning was to get all the mugs done by Friday, and that's definitely within reach. I printed up a lot more labels last night. Have a big stack of them right here. This is probably about 2 days of packing for me. So yeah, those are right on schedule. If you bought a mug, it's going to get there soon-ish. I will have them all done by Friday. I also got some prizes out. I'm getting 5 prizes out today too, and I emailed all you guys. What are we doing now? Oh, I got to pull a few orders. Not selling much on eBay at the moment because I haven't been listing, although I am going to go ahead and get some stuff listed after I film this clip. Sold an Oh Dear Dear Dear, I think it's called, a Mr. Smee Walt Disney Classics collection. This one right here, Dwindling Pile. Oh, I still have this huge one over here. Yeah, this sold for this is one of the lower price ones, I think. This sold for $29.99 plus shipping on top. There's another one with Smee in a boat, like trying to escape, like in a rowboat. That's a high value one if you ever want to look that one up. All right, here's the last order I'm pulling now. It's a remote control R15. Sold for pretty decent money too. Here it is. Like I said before, these are listings that I've had up for a couple of years, but they're selling. I got $14.99 plus shipping on top for this one. Oh, I wanted to touch on this real quick too, since I talked about it a few videos back. I showed y'all the matchup between John, Cincinnati Picker, and I in fantasy football, and the consensus was pretty much that I was going to get smoked, but the actual results were way different. 163 to 117. I had some very good performances, and I even left, if we look at the bench, look at all these points I left on the bench. Mack, Walker, and Brown. What is this guy's name anyway? Rookie wide receiver for Baltimore. What is his name? Marquise Brown. He had a heck of a game, heck of a debut. So now, the next week, let's look at the next week. We'll see who we're playing. Next week we're playing Part-Time Pickers. Matt over at Part-Time Pickers YouTube channel. And according to the little, this thing doesn't matter, but according to that I have a slight edge. But like I said, that doesn't matter. And the only thing that I'm trying to figure out as far as my lineup goes, I'm going to stay with Kittle as my tight end for one more week at least. And the only thing I don't know is, do I want to start Marquise Brown over Fitzgerald? Larry Fitzgerald had a heck of a game, but he had a couple of real long balls. So I don't know. I'm definitely going to start Antonio Brown in his debut game with the Patriots. But I don't, should I start, would you start Larry Fitzgerald or Marquise Brown? And who's going to win this matchup between Garage Flips and Part-Time Pickers? What do y'all think? Let's see. We'll look at Part-Time Pickers real quick. Aaron Rodgers, T.Y. Hilton, Kupp, Barkley, Jones, Hooper, K. Johnson. What is that? Who is that? I should know who that is. Kerryon. Oh, Kerryon Johnson. Yeah, he's pretty good. Fairburn. Well, these don't. That's not really a big deal. But anyway, who do you think is going to win this matchup? I've got Brady, Antonio Brown, Larry Fitzgerald, Christian McCaffrey, Leonard Fournette, Kittle, Mack, Elliott, and New England Patriots defense. I feel pretty good about it. I think it might come down to whether I start Larry Fitzgerald or Marquise Brown. I think that could make a big difference in the outcome of this game. So give me some help. So I'm going to pack these few things up and get all the mugs and stuff over to the post office. And I will see you guys again tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.